Hey YouTube, so I got some new stuff to show you guys. I got some Grizzly grip tape. I ordered it from Amazon, so here you guys. So here it is. It's bear cutout. So let's see. It's the bear cutout one. I know at first there wasn't the word one. There's the bear. There's the bear. So that's one of them. And I'm seeing what's in this other box. I don't know where to open it. See what's in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, I got this sheets. I got it because I ordered a blank deck and I'm going to make some stuff with it. So, and that's all I got today, so I guess that's it. 2 sheets of Grizzly grip and some of that. And bye guys.